Alright, here we go again. Welcome to our channel, guys. I hope all of you are doing great. Today we are heading to Phi Phi Waterfall, located in Meghalaya. So buckle up and get ready for the ride. It's a bright sunny day today. Just the perfect kind of a weather to visit a waterfall. There is this waterfall called Phi Phi that we have been eyeing for quite some time. Today finally we are heading there. Tonight we'll be staying at a campsite called Paradise, and so far the drive up to it is totally living up to its name. We arrived at the campsite as the sun was setting. Now that our campsite is set, we're gonna feed Dandy, eat something ourselves, and then take our kayak out and head into the river stream that is located right next to our beautiful campsite. Our campsite host informed us that there is another waterfall that we can kayak up to and watch the sunset from there. With a little help, Dandy was on board, and it was time for us to chase the sunset. Chasing the sunset, we continued to paddle forward. Along the way, we crossed an old bridge. Our campsite host had informed us that after crossing this bridge, we would see a waterfall. And there it was, right in front of us, the sun setting as we reached the waterfall. We took a moment to soak in this view. Then got down to take a closer look at the waterfall. Right after that, we reached back to our campsite and called it a night. With no signboards to guide you along, Phi Phi Waterfall is truly a hidden gem in all sense of the word, and we were hoping to follow this river downstream till we reached the cliff. Completely relying on our instincts to find this waterfall, we often ended up getting lost in places that were difficult to walk in. The only way to reach the waterfall was to remove our shoes and go ahead barefoot. Just then, we met three boys, June, Morningstar and Deka, who were more than happy to point us in the right direction and guide us through this vast landscape. And finally we made it, first sight of Phi Phi Waterfall. It was truly majestic to see this waterfall in all its glory. As we started reaching closer to it, the true magnitude and size of the waterfall became evident. It wasn't just the size or how big the waterfall was, but the contrast of the turquoise water against the green surrounding made this place truly a paradise to visit. If you like watching our channel, consider subscribing and do hit the like button. It truly helps our channel to grow.